In this video, I will show you how to use hand tool in Illustrator. So find out in this toolbars this hand tool. Click on it and you can move your page using this hand tool. If zoom is selected, so you can't move, you have to find out this hand tool. If it's not appear here, so click on these three dots and in this tool list for navigator find out this hand tool, and there is another rotate tool. You can use the shortcut shift plus H, so you can move your page in this way in 360-degree. And to move horizontal and vertical, so select this hand tool.